celebrating the Mawlid of the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam is not from Islam. Don't listen to these deviant scholars who manipulate people's minds because they want their money. So they start to draw and lure their emotions and drain them emotionally to have greater followers. We are Muslims. We follow the Quran, the word of Allah, and we follow the Prophet's way and teaching, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We love him to the extent that we're willing to go against the whole world just for the sake of following his teachings. Even if we face enmity because of that, we care less because we love the Prophet ﷺ. And through our love to him, we follow his teachings, the teachings of his companions, the teaching of the tabi'een, and the teachings of tabi'it tabi'een. The three most favorite generations to have ever walked the earth. The best of generations, as the Prophet said, ﷺ. And none of them ever celebrated the Mawlid. And who celebrated it? The Fatimiyin, al-Ubaydiyin, people who came on 400 years ago. Or let me correct this, who came 400 years after the Prophet ﷺ. And they innovated this to divert Muslims from following the Sunnah. And now all the countries who show enmity to Islam and to the Sunnah and to the authentic Aqidah, they show real enmity, they celebrate the Mawlid. What kind of Islam is this? And now they turn against us and say, oh, you don't love the Prophet ﷺ. What a blatant lie. We follow the Prophet ﷺ in every simple, small things and major things. What do you follow? All what they follow is innovations, swirling around themselves like fans and crazy things, going to graves, going to temples, doing innovation in Islam. But following the Sunnah? No. Implementing the Quran? No. Implementing the Sharia? No. What kind of Islam is this? So the masses of ignorant Muslims, the laymen who can be steered like sheep and herds, they follow them. And they tell them, don't implement Sharia, we're okay because they celebrate the Mawlid. Go against Islam, we're okay, they celebrate the Mawlid. Sell haram things, deal with haram things, no problem, they celebrate the Mawlid. What kind of Islam is this? So follow the footsteps of your Prophet Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam, you'll end up in Jannah with him. And with all the success and prosperity in dunya. Bid'ah is a major sin, something that is rejected in Islam by Allah and by the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam, who said, whoever innovates in our religion what's not part of it is rejected. How can anyone in his sound mind make a bid'ah and say, I know it's not from Islam and I'm giving the reward for the deceased? A'udhu billah. It will not reach the deceased. It will ensure that you will be tormented in hellfire because of such an audacity.